Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type Teams, download, and press enter. You'll get the first link, download Microsoft Teams desktop. Okay, on this page, you need to click on download Microsoft Teams for Windows. This will download the setup file. You need to click on open. I'll close the web browser as we don't need it. So this will download the Microsoft Teams and get installed on this Windows. Microsoft Teams has got installed. Now to start, you need to click on Windows Start and type Teams. Okay, and click on Open. This will launch the Microsoft Teams. You need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay, and then you can use Microsoft Teams. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.